Hello everyone. In this video, we will quickly go through some of the key long buy long sell indicator feature that has been added and also very much helpful for the people. Many user have already taken benefit of this. Let me quickly run through this update. Here, when you go to the settings, enable to plot extra moving average. This one option available. Let me quickly disable and you see the difference. One of the line that was passing along the candle has gone now. If I enable this, you get three lines. But I felt this signal can be little further improved. So I have added one script which is exclusive, not put anywhere, available only with me, but depends on your need. We can think of publishing this in the trading view community. So what basically happens here is that there are multiple options available to put four lines or three lines or two lines. Presently I have enabled two lines. You can also enable the one moving average line from the long buy long sell indicator. This moving average is little different than any other moving average by the way it is plotting the color. So always make use of these two lines to be more profitable in your indicator. For example, in this area, what you see is it is clearly indicating we are in the short side and it is continuing. Here may be a little bit of noise is coming, but this noise also can be avoided by seeing some other input. So always when you are in a trade, please make sure you use these lines to be very profitable in your trading. Whenever there is a green of both the candle or both the lines, then you can 80% be sure that this is going to be in favor of the trade you take, that is a long. So even here, if you see, the short is about to appear and it is in the sideways. After that, the down is happening. So always make use of this green line for taking a better trade. This is one addition we have added, and you see there is a cross red. That means you can close your long here. That is what it is indicating. You can also close your long here or here. Likewise, we also have long close and other signals that I'll explain in the next video. But this is very much helpful for the trader to be more precise and profitable. Now I just wanted to add one more feature that is available to have a little better overview about, suppose you take some trade, whether it is profitable or not, by setting a stop loss or take profit, you can utilize the inbuilt functionality available in the long buy long sell indicator. So what I basically do here is that this already it is candle based entry. That means when the candle becomes black to blue, you will be taking the trade, and somewhere in the future, you will be closing the trade, maybe here or here or here. Okay. But what I basically wanted to do, suppose I am gonna automate this trade to do in automatic bot way, then pretty much stop loss and take profit have to be put so that optimal output as a winning result would come to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enable this option so that based on the value we set here, the take profit stop loss is calculated, and when the alert is coming in the alert itself, you get what is the stop loss, take profit uh, information. Okay, suppose you do the manual trade, you can use those information for your trade without calculating on your own. Now, just to visualize it very clearly, what I do is I just enable this line that would show additional line popping up here. As you see here, when I disable, these lines gone, and when I enable, these lines appearing. So here the red one is the stop loss, and the green one and the green dots are the take profit. So what we will do in this case, assuming we take the trade on close of the bar, which means when this bar is closing and when the next bar is opening, that's where we are going to do the trade. Let's assume that. And I set 1% as a stop loss. Automatically this line moves up, you see, which means if this price touch this, then the stop loss is hit. Otherwise, the stop loss is not hit. Now I will set 2% as a first take profit, that is risk reward ratio of 1% stop loss and 2% profit. Yes, it is set, which means if the candle touches this line, take profit is hitting. Likewise, I will set 3% as a take profit too. Then automatically this line moves here. And now I'll set 5% as a take profit 3. Then this line moved here, which means stop loss is 1%, first take profit is 2%, and second take profit is some percent as per we said, that is, I guess, 3%, and here it is 5% third take profit. So if we evaluate this condition for the last three trades, 1, 2, 3, let's see whether we were in profitable condition or not. So here 1% as a profit, sorry, stop loss I have said, which means this is a 1% area and here is a 2% area. Fine. We see the 2% is hit, and here also 2% is hit, and here also the 2% is hit, which means in all the three conditions, the take profit is hit rather than the stop loss. Since in all the three cases, stop loss not hit, I just wanted to bring down the stop loss number to 0.5% and see still I am able to achieve profitability or not. When I set zero point 0.5 here, the risk to reward ratio becomes more than 1 is to 3, which is very much good for auto trading. Let me set and see if this is still profitable. And when I set this, what basically happens is that the price moved up and the stop loss hit. So I just wanted to adjust so that a best optimal stop loss is put so that it will not maximum hit. Hope you get the point. But in this case and here in the third case, did not stop loss hit here as well. So I just wanted to make it 75. So when the stop loss is made 75, in all the three cases it is good, and our risk reward ratio also very good. So this can be used for our automated trading. The first you set the chart time frame well and adjust this value and see visually in the chart whether you get stop loss hit or the take profit hit. The maximum aim should be that the stop loss is not hitting, but the take profit is always hitting. Suppose you do 10 trade per day, and with this setup, you win 5 trade and you lost 5 trade also. End of the day, your capital and profit will be good. Capital will not be diluted and profit will be increasing because it is more than 1 is to 2 risk reward ratio. Even 40% of the winning would bring you capital appreciation. So make use of this feature that is available as inbuilt in the long by long sell indicator to decide on the optimal take profit and the stop loss. For each of the script, you will have to adjust this value and see what is the best risk reward ratio and the stop loss and take profit and set it for your automated or a manual trading. And one another example, now we have seen this for a candle based alert. But if you want to change this based on the background based one, you just need to take out this tick and it automatically adjusts. That means the take profit and stop loss plotting now will be calculated based on the background color. Okay, adjust this, enable proper settings, and then see how it is working. I have also given the label so that it is easily visible in the chart to know what is the take profit, what is the stop loss, etc. In the background, it is working, and once here it will reflect the labels properly. What is the level in which the profit and stop loss need to be placed? Why this is not coming? I need to check. It was coming. Let me check this. Yeah. Okay. Now let us disable this. Let us disable this. We don't want this now. So let us take this out. All will disappear. What is this green and red line that you are seeing in this indicator? Pretty much everyone is asking this question. So let me take this opportunity and time to explain it quickly that this is a kind of support line and a resistance line that you can use for your trading, be it option trading or your positional trading. Use this as your support and resistance. For example, if you have taken trade here, then whenever price touches and goes below, you can close your position if you are doing it manually. Likewise, if you are not very sure of what is the point at which you have to put a resistance, then it automatically plots based on this candle plotting. Okay, make use of it. And one another indicator also inbuilt that shows sell, buy, and all, which means whenever you see and this is appearing in the chart, you can either go for entry at close of this, or as soon as you see this, you can go for entry. But note that this will take little time to stabilize. That's fine. Even once it is appearing and then disappearing, that is absolutely fine to go for a trading with these symbols. Let me quickly go back and show you where and all you are getting and how this is helping you to enter the trade. For example, here it is a buy and pretty much good move had happened. If you have missed taking this buy here, you should definitely consider taking the buy here. Likewise, there are many sell signal appeared in the chart. Price had come down, and there is a wick showing very weakness. Again, some star is appearing. On top of it, the sell signal had come. That means pretty much you can go for a short. Likewise, this was a false buy signal, didn't work good. Not all the trading will be profitable. If you take 100 trades according to the risk and reward ratio, if we win 50 trades with a 1 is to 2 risk reward ratio, we still be in a profitable trade. Again, you see here the sell is appearing and it is going down. It is a good sign. So make use of the stars, characters, lines, resistance, and supports provided here to be having more profitable trades. There are more and more good feature available with the long buy long sell indicator. I would be covering those information in the next video. If you like to get more details about this indicator, please watch the video and contact me in the telegram, or you can search long by long sell indicator without any space in the google. You would get to know all the places where it is available. Let me meet you again in one another video explaining more and more about this indicator, how it is profitable. That would be very helpful for you becoming a profitable trader. Thank you.